So guys, welcome back to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good night. Man's outside. Oh, we there with crocodile.
Just come from Martinique and going to Dominica as well.
Okay. Of course you there too. We're outside. Bad fellas making it happen for you. So guys, stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
And Sakarab.
Sakarib or Jack on it. We there for you. Guys, look at the sky. I forget my GoPro, so I just go in for it right now. I have to check the security. All done already. We outside. Just stay tuned, eh, people. Yeah, man. So I go and wait for the bus on the outside there. So guys, we got it right there. We got it right there. Here. So we're feeling much better now, yeah? But this is, we were here early. We were here very early. Very, very early. But that was the hold up. But we got it now. Yeah? So we're back on the line. Yes, guys. So we just entered. We're still waiting, to get on the boat. And Kenya, what you put in the luggage? A lighter? And that was a good one. Because she just lost his lighter. What you lose, boss? What you lose?
I'm trying to take my padlock.
Show them the padlock. Guys, I think Mush is going to tie his girl. Fully, you're going to get tied today. Once we land. Yeah. Who are you having nothing to tie? Jizzy G? Yeah, people, you don't know already. Just stay tuned. We're on the line. We're not in a rush.
Man's got a Pellington.
And Mashi have Pellington. And everywhere we go, hey, what happening? They're telling Kenny, can you take off your shades, please, young man? But Kenny is a little ill still. So you know we get. So guys, just stay tuned. We're coming. So guys, let me tell you all, first time I'm coming on this boat, So what's the name? Yeah, it have a funny scent.
Become those man pop off a pill.
Kenny say, be real bad man, I like cruise ship like how. Yep. Check water and thing we have there. Let's watch JBCs. So guys, just stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Isale. I'll show you all guys the way the boat is.
Boy, she put it outside.
You going to take a crash? Yeah. Look, can you tell you good night? So I'll check on it, just stay tuned. Everybody go and take a little rest. Must see he's not going and taking a rest. Are you?
That's pretty good, isn't it?
Yeah, so you know we're outside for sure. The boat don't have no upstairs, guys. We fully AC down. You don't have no open deck. So or jack on it. When pu me ekot me eleme. Ako di silang bite kasi AC sa katavai. The AC is working, guys, innit? The AC is working, innit? Yeah, so you don't know already. Just stay tuned, people. Guys, let me tell you, just now is sleeping time. So I have this to put on my face and my coat on. My feet can be that's an old woman coat, but that ain't. Yes, but my finger have no of it. Cause she's here playing some game. Can you go to bed already? So you know already. Just stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So guys, let me tell you all. Kelly and Koshi is sleeping. So Mash and I just come and take a little view. Because it's very rough Nadia, Kofi, you don't know your large gem. Big up yourself, Della. Or Jack on it, huh? Kushel, I ain't forgetting you. We there, we large, we full. Big up. Akoshi, Dakeni. And must just pull up there. And it. Huh?
5 minutes.
I go wake you up. So guys, let me tell you, I can feel the sunlight on my face. So Mashi and I outside still, you know. Bad fellas making it happen. But true. So I think we're feeling a little happier now that I could take out that coat on me. Every tear sa lemon. Or no pants and area. But we're almost there. We're halfway. We're halfway. Okay? Just now when we stop in Martinique, I'm going to talk to you all. Okay? Alright? Just stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, guys. Okay, guys. Guys, Kenny is up now, you know. Now we're in Martinique. I don't know if Mashi want to go down. You want to go down?
Crocodile.
Crocodile, that's your place. You have to go down. But Kenny and I are going to England. And it. Man's out here.
It happened for you.
For you. Man's ill. His name is Phil. Or PDD. Good? Baby oil to relax you. So big, I guess PDD is a big artist. Come. Kenny move the bag on you.
Move, leave my thing. I will beat you on the boat. I will beat you on the boat.
But guys, it's all good. You know we in 41st Martinique, 41st Martinique, 44th, F for fun, 41st. So who gives up? That we teaching you. And it, 41st. Font, well say font, man. She say font.
Oily. But you never see the what do you call it, the green thing?
The what?
The eel.
A zanji. Greasy. This guy, so you don't know. Let me go and see. Huh? Downstairs. Kenny wants to go to the loo. You want to go to the loo? Yes, guys, so don't worry. Okay.
I'm going to take a bottle and I will play it.
Alright. Guys, we're in Martinique. Must I tell you go down the boat? Yes guys, 41st, we there. My G there too, we large. We outside the tea and in Capoeira. So you know we're blessed, innit? Boy, you said it everywhere. Yeah. I feel we go put much down there, people, as the crocodile big firm. So we're going to do a little shopping and book a Mac for you. Just chill there. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man. Big up. Morning. My G still there. I'm gonna have a long. Yeah, man. Give yourself one time. You don't know, relax. Yeah, you don't have the long way. I almost there. On Jack on it. Bushman Day, Yappy, Dignal, Sun. chocolate.
Oh.
Chilling. You want to say anything to the people? Mush? Want to tell the people something? They want to reach already? Can you wind up putting that bag down? As if I own your bag case.
That's only my bag, girl. You don't know what my bag have in it? My bag. I made it.
Huh?
Me alone not pass goods in my bag.
Be happy.
Kind of like
And then you cannot even operate the phone. Happen for true. So guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. We on out. That girl have beautiful eyes, eh guys? Let me tell you, her eyes beautiful, you know, in the flesh. But that's one of my followers. We got her one time. So we're about to move again. Now to Dominica. Big up all the Dominican followers. 758. You know you're large. Let me tell you. Inside of this boot is very cool. For me, you could see my skin becoming very dry. I don't have no makeup on. Y'all know how we rock already. So we cannot wait to get to our destination, you know. But I'm enjoying the little ride and everything, you know. I see some of my followers on the boat. They tell me come and meet them and come and take some photos with them for the kids. You know, big up you all, man. I'm loving the love, people, you know. And thanks for choosing my channel, you know. Big up my people. You'll know it's gonna be an exciting time in Dominica. I have my whole team out here. Big up them. You know, bad fellas making it happen. But true. But I want to drop Mush in Martinique. And Kenny say he might go to England after Dominica. So just stay tuned, guys, yeah? So guys, we got our bags now. You know, just the last process. Let me tell you all. You see our Shoko set, Lissy. So guys, let me tell you all. We're on a bus heading home, you know, a private bus. Okay, so we can do whatever we want. We were very tired. I wanted to go to TV Village today, but unfortunately, I think we need to rest. You know, so yeah, we will go to TV Village tomorrow, but right now we're just on our private jet. All right. I come early. I come too early. The next time when we come in late. Okay. West Bangladesh say that. Kenny, what you want to say? You just sleeping like a baby. Cause how you feeling, Mashi? You all have nothing to say to the people? So guys, let me tell you all, don't forget to, yeah, we're tired, for true. So, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for choosing this channel. We're in Dominica, so look out for our adventures. You know, meeting our, I meet a subscriber, you know, Har. That what he says his name was, Mash? Har? Har? Big up Har one time. He say he's watching, no, he say he watching me. He thought I was from Antigua. Yeah, he say he thought I was, yeah. He say he thought I was from Antigua. So guys, we're at the Moel. Okay? Yes guys, we're in the moats. You know, bad fellas out. So my people, you know, before the sun sets, we're trying to get down to a small village, you know, so just stay tuned. We're gonna show you guys what it looks like. Kenny and them still up there, watch them. So y'all done know already. Out to the potato. Yes guys, so I'm just passing by and I saw this. Guys, this is yum. And this is a lot of it. Let me tell you. Hey. Yum. And he's washing it off. Right there. Look, in this drum.
Yeah, wash it.
Yes. So that's to sell to the supermarket or?
Ship.
Huh?
To ship it.
To ship it?
Yeah.
To where? Guadeloupe. Okay, Guadeloupe, Saint Martin, guys. That is the vibe. We're in Dominica. Big up Dominican Massive one time. Good vibes, you know. And we're from a neighboring island, but I never see a nice set of yum, so guys. So they're gonna have a good sale. So guys, thank you. Thank you, thank you. Yes, guys. So the guys are here and we're just walking through. We're trying to get to the beach. I don't know. That's yum. They're going to ship it to Guadeloupe. Yum. Yes, yum. Yum matuta do talk. Dashing good for child mother. Yum matuta do talk.
Oh, young matuta.
Yum. Hi, mommy. Hi, Rizel, the rich auntie. Big up yourself, Saba. You know we miss y'all, and I think this is the beach right here. That's yum matuta. Dashing good for child mother. Yum matuta do talk. My mother does always say that. So me that's yum matuta. So guys, I'm gonna flip the camera to show y'all the beach. You know, big up Nadika one time, Jem. I know you watching. Big up yourself. You know. Latoya, Nadia, Kofi, your people outside. Watch them, 2 goggles.
We just come from there. Yeah,
Yes, people. So let me flip the camera.
As well.
Giselle as well. Y'all know Kenny have a go Puel. Puel is Puel. And fell not fell. Walk fast.
Shorty one time.
Yeah, you know yourself. You know.
I will link you later, shorty.
Bye bye.
Love.
Yeah.
Love.
End it. Guys, I'm gonna flip my camera. Yes, guys. Watch them. Y'all could just use the chairs. Y'all could just, people will have to pay for that, I think. But y'all know me already.
I thought Dominica beaches like that, like sun beaches.
Oh, because when we go Champagne Beach, it's another vibe. Look, they're coming to y'all there immediately. I even moving the camera on y'all. Because I don't want to see. Huh?
You're not going to see what you're saying.
Why?
I see all going on there. I have to think.
Yeah. It's nice. It's beautiful. Hi, how much is that chair? $10? Oh, okay.
Not now, but we're there for
Not now, but we're there for the week.
As I come, I saw you get up. I was just going to talk before you there. So I come and talk before you. I just come to tell you, look at paradise. That's what.
Where you're doing there?
You'll have a body?
Yeah, smoothies, rum punch.
Well, we come in there.
But yeah, we'll call you soon.
Yes.
Red umbrella, guys. That's it.
Red umbrella?
Yeah.
So you could introduce yourself.
Of course, I'm Giovanni from Miro, guys. Local paradise. You know, keeping it local. And I hope you guys come down to Miro, Dominica. Get your fruit smoothie.
Yeah, man. Big up.
Big up there.
And we offers Not Less Trans or Not Less TV on YouTube. You could get this clip.
True.
You know, so we're gonna show them
Well,
your
we have
vibe.
Wi-Fi. You know, we can hook you up so you can get.
Yeah, we ready there. We there.
Yeah, so welcome to Local Paradise, guys. So we're not sure what you're drinking, but I need to recommend you something nice.
Okay,
We're gonna
okay.
make you something with a nice punch and Malibu.
Okay, not too strong though.
Not too strong. You're not driving. Don't worry about that.
Ah!
Rasta will take care of you.
Yeah, man. We safe there?
Let Rasta drop. That's your job.
Yes, people. He said that. What's that?
This is my girlfriend. This is pineapple, mango, and orange. Guys, Local Paradise. Don't forget.
Okay.
Not too much. Not too much.
Not too much. Awa. pineapple.
And no rum.
Boy, you want the rum that have in it there?
Oh, I know how to have a mini because I was one.
Side vibes. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Right, she got scared.
Yes.
Okay,
I
now
am.
I'm under to carry on. Going in for the kill now.
Yes, people. Local paradise, yeah?
Local paradise, guys.
Dominica.
Please, mirror on the beach.
Yes, local paradise. Free Wi-Fi, vibes.
Right, Rasta.
Yes, side. Thank you.
Have a taste.
Not Caribbean.
Proper.
It is it.
Proper.
And you see how the mongo and the pineapple this is.
It's good. It's good. It just seems light and nice, like a woman's drink. Yeah.
Yeah, man. This is the way. By the way, I don't get it hard. I was going to give you
It's good, it's good, it's good. It's nice. It's nice.
You just pray for me?
Yeah.
That's how you break down. I break down, so. After not less try, boom, you know, one love, Rasta, big up yourself in Dominica. You know, local drinks, check us out.
Yeah, man. Big up. Yeah, man. We large.
Oh no.
Yes, guys. Let me give you all a view of the place. Hey. Yes, side.